Alright, this dog has had about 5 birds flown in front of him. See if we can't get a good piece of work out of him. Again, this dog is not, I'm not worried about him hunting right now. He's sticking close to me because he is used to just yard work. Alright, let's go. The range, the drive, everything like that will come back into play once I get him back out on birds. But right now I'm whoa breaking him. We already put him on birds. We know he's got drive. We know he's got natural point. This is just a product of it. Here. Whoa. Good boy. Whoop. 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 Okay. Stood that one real nice. Whoop. 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 Yep. Stood that one real nice. Do a couple more. Whoop. Whoop. Can't ask for better than that. Whoop. 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 Right over the top of his head. Okay, that'll work for me.